फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। एज यू गाइस कैन सी, दिस इज फैंटास्टिक ट्राइज इट अगेन। You guys have liked the previous part so much that I have to make another part. Like, you guys really love this series Fantastic Tries It, in which series I try my subscribers recipes. So if you guys have any recipes that you want me to try, then you guys can comment down below in the comment section and I will try it. So until now I have done this fantastic group. So if you guys want to get featured in a future fantastic dares page, then make sure to give your dare in the comments so I can feature you like these lovely fantastics of mine. So yeah, today we are doing this page of fantastic dares. So yeah, let's do this. These are the people that are featured in this video. So a very big shout out to all of you guys. Thank you so much for giving your dares in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, we are going like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we have 9 in this one. If you guys are liking this video so far, then make sure to give this video a like and make sure to subscribe. So many of you guys are still not subscribed, then please subscribe if you watch my videos regularly. It helps me so much. So yeah guys, that's that. And now without talking much, let's get started with today's video. So now, as you guys can see, now we are going to spin our wheel to see which lucky fantastics get their dare tried. So yeah, let's spin. So fantastics, as you guys can see, the dare is number 2. So yeah, let's see who is dare number 2. So yeah, let's see. So 1 2. So here is our lucky fantastic. So yeah, oh, there is no name, world tour. So whoever is this, congratulations. So their dare is take water, then mix food coloring in it, okay, then add sugar in it, stir it until mix, and then add 1 bowl of flour in it, okay. So sugar and flour, okay, and then our slime is ready to play. Please try this. I commented first time, please try this. Okay, world tour, whoever this is, thank you so much for your dare and we are going to try it now. So yeah, let's see and let's get started. First step is to add water. So now let's add a little bit of water since we don't know how much flour it takes to mix it well together. So we are going to add just a little bit of water, and now let's add food coloring. Here I'm using this pink food coloring. Now we are going to add few drops of food coloring. If you guys don't have food coloring, you guys can always use any paint or any watercolor. It's just the same thing, but yeah, I'll add 3 drops of food colorings since it looks so beautiful on camera, obviously. Now let's mix. Oh my god, it is not that pigmented how I thought it is going to be, but we need a very pinkish shade. So now I'm not going to add too much. So this is how our mixture is looking right now. It's pretty watery. Next step is to add sugar and then like completely mix it. So yeah, let's add. This is very normal white sugar. You guys can use brown sugar as well. It's just the same thing. Now let's mix it all together. I have made flour slimes before. If you guys want to check it out, I will give it on I button. And you guys, it does work pretty good. Like, it's just super similar to a very buttery thick slime. So yeah, I don't think I have added sugar in it, but let me know. And let's just mix it until it's dissolved completely. and it is actually an edible slime, but no one would really want to eat, you know, sweet flour. But you can eat it actually. It is sweet, but I don't know. It's raw flour, so I don't recommend, but it is an edible slime and even small children can play with it. So but yeah, just like that, everything is dissolved. So now I'm going ahead with adding my flour. So you don't need to add all the flour at once, but add it gradually, so your slime does not get too thick or rubbery. You guys can see now its pink color is visible. Oh my god, it's such a nice pink as well. Let's just mix it completely. As you guys can see, it is thickening up gradually. You just need to make sure that it is, not sticky and the wheat flour is mixed completely. Let's add a little bit more. So as you guys can see, it is thickening up, but it's still not that thick. So we need to add a little bit more flour. So as you guys can see, it is pretty thick, by the way, you guys. Let's add a little bit more flour and we'll start. Like now our slime is pulling off. As you guys can see, it is a very, very nice consistency and I really like it. Like you guys can see, it's not sticking to my finger anymore. You guys can add a little bit more wheat flour on it if you don't want it to stick, but it is still amazing right now. This is how our flour slime is looking. Like I have added a little bit more color, so that is why our slime kind of have a marble effect. I don't know if you guys can see that, but oh my god, you guys, this is just amazing. But there is another hack. If you don't want your slime to crumble too much and want it to stick together a lot more, so you guys can always take a little bit of oil, then you guys can put a little bit of oil in it. Let me show you guys. So a little bit of oil. I'm going to show you guys how it works. So like this, and you need to coat it up nicely so that it comes together easily. And this is like not really like a clay, but this is like a slime, you guys. Can you guys see that? It is really nice. The maida slime was kind of like a clay consistency, but if you make it like this, then it is not really a clay consistency but a really nice thick slime consistency and more like a butter slime consistency. So yeah, I really like this recipe like a lot, and you guys can see how nice this looks. It's definitely like a, you know, a spreadable slime, holdable slime, like butter slime. So I really actually really like it. So yeah, I will give this slime a 7.5 out of 10, and I really like this recipe. So yeah, now let's see our second day. So fantastics, let's now see who is our next lucky fantastics जिसकी slime recipe आज try होने वाली है. So yeah, let's see. Let's bring our slime dares wheel and let's spin it. So fantastics, as you guys can see, now we have got dare number 1. So let's see who is dare number 1. So fantastics, as you guys can see, our first dare is from It's Me Navya, and I dare you to put ketchup on in your favorite slime that is made at home. So now let's see which slime is my favorite slime, and I'm actually going to ruin it for you guys. So yeah, let's see. Fantastics, my favorite slime is this one, this cloud slime that I made 2 years ago, and I still have it. Like, I have never used it in any slime smoothie, and it's still in perfect condition. As you guys can see, it's still super stringy and it's still a very perfect cloud slime. And I really love and cherish this slime so much. So I am today going to destroy a small fraction of this slime for you guys. This is like 2-year-old slime, and I really love it. Like, I literally love it so much. So let's take it out and destroy it for you guys. Like, oh my god, this is literally my favorite slime, you guys. So these are the ketchups that we are going to add in our slime. So yeah, now let's add them. So now let's add. So here is our sauce. Let's add. Oh my god. Oh, I know it's disgusting, you guys, but that's the dare. So let's mix. Oh my god, you guys, it's just so weird. I hope this does not melt completely, but it does look like it is melting. Oh my god, that's weird. Yes, it is. Oh my god. You guys, it is melting. It has never melted even in the, like, you know, very bad summers. It was like held together, but now because of the sugars in the sauce, it is completely just glue. Oh my god. So yeah guys, there you have it. It is like literally destroyed, but the dare at least is completed. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And yeah guys, that's all. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you really enjoyed. Then make sure to comment this purple heart emoji. I will know that you have watched till here. So yeah guys, that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.